Previously on spousal abuse. Felicity
refused to serve Erwin soup. Erwin then fell apart.
Literally.
Felicity did surgery on Erwin. Now they have a baby.
Welcome to season 2 of spousal abuse. Okay.
Erwin!
Yes.
I have some news.
Yes.
We have a baby. I had it this morning.
Whoa! Where did it come from?
I'm not really quite sure.
Cool.
I woke up and it was there.
Whoa!
Like your shirt. Whoa!
Whoa! Uh-oh. Okay. Well,
we need to name it. I wasn't really quite sure what to name it. I thought I should ask you.
the most beautiful name of all.
It's a girl. What?
Rwanda.
Rwanda? I thought that was a country.
No, you're thinking of Ramadan.
What is Ramadan?
That's a country. In
There's no point to argue.
Northwest Asia.
But you're right. You're the scholar.
I am.
Hurry up, you'll be late to work.
Yes, sir.
I am your wife. Don't talk to me like that. Put the ladle back. The soup's not ready.
That's right.
Just go to work.
I'm going to work.
Don't forget your hat.
Is I'm head. Take care of the baby.
I'm gonna take care of the baby now. We're just gonna pick it up and walk over here. You know, rock to sleep. Bye, baby.
Erwin's at work. Honey, I'm home.
What'd you do at work today?
Well, cured cancer.
Really?
And I discovered a cure for AIDS.
That is very productive. I wonder what you do tomorrow.
I don't know. I don't know.
You must be being paid an awful lot.
Does it bother you that I look like a refrigerator now?
Well, no, honey. Well, see, I did the surgery, so I guess you look all right.
Well, I can't really sit in my chair anymore.
Well, you can stand, honey. We'll just let me pick it up for you. We'll just
Pick it up. What's it gonna do?
you're gonna stand where it was, since you can't sit down anymore. Oh, homie, do I need to get you a chair?
No, I think I'm okay. Honey, I need some soup. Uh-oh.
Okay, let me just put the baby down.
Give me the baby. I need to hold my child.
Are you sure you can? Let me get the soup.
Oh, Wanda.
Alright. Here's the soup. Alright, let me just pick up my ladle. Just attach.
Get off. Get off.
Don't talk to me like that. Here's the soup.
Oh, wait.
We just scoop it up and there's your soup.
Yes.
You know you have hands. I got a muscle arm.
What do I do now? Oh, it was so good.
Hey, let me help you. Let me just
Feed the baby.
feed him. Don't suffocate it. 1 minute. You poor.
Okay.
You poor baby. I'm gonna call child services.
Ding dong. Hello.
Baby's I fell off.
That is one ugly baby.
What? This is your daughter. What is wrong with you? You need to just go take the garbage out.
I have a multiple personality disorder. And right now, I'm the social security guy.
How did you cure AIDS and cancer with multiple personalities?
Internet.
Take out the garbage.
I have to go get the garbage first. tie upside down. Get it off of me.
It's fine.
Oh, wait. And that's the end of spousal abuse. And then Rwanda.
My neck's falling off.
The table broke and the trash is down my chest. Get it
Yeah.
off. Get it off.